You think your stomach does all the work? Think again. Meet the real superhero hidden inside your body, the small...
Welcome! I'm the small intestine, and this is where the real magic begins.
We're ready! Who needs our nutrients?
Everyone! But first, let me absorb you.
Protein over here.
Sugar this way.
Healthy fats coming through. Load me up. I'll deliver nutrients across the body.
Excellent work. I'll process these nutrients before sharing them. Protein received.
Glucose received. Vitamins received.
Feed me healthy foods, and I'll keep your whole body strong. Remember, I'm over 6 meters long, and I'm the real nutrient factory inside you.